Hello and welcome to my video on showing you how to move and rotate objects. Okay, the command we are going to use today is called transform. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with I've already created a sketch on the top plane, and I've looked at it. I've turned off my made my planes invisible, and I'm going to start with a center point rectangle. Okay, and I'm going to put this center point rectangle over here, and you can grab it and you can free move it just by grabbing on it. But what I'm going to do is I'm then going to create a line. Okay, so let's say I want this 2 this way, and I'll do this 3 this way. Okay, whoops, let's try that again. Start there. All right, is that not on that line? Why am I not clicking? There we go. All right, and I'll make this 3. Okay, so something I like to do is to go ahead and make this line a construction line and make this line a construction line. And what we're going to do is we're going to do over here, we're going to say show constraints, just so you can see what's going on here. Okay, so I've got a center point here, I've got a point here. These are coincident to each other. I've got a vertical line and a horizontal line. So just so you're understanding the constraints that we have here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on where it says linear pattern. I'm going to get this drop down, and I'm going to go to transform. And now this is kind of cool. Oops, let's do that again. Let's go to transform, and now I'm going to select the things that I want to move. Okay, I get this little control panel. All right, so I can move my control panel to start here. I can move the control panel to start here, or over, I'm moving it to these points so I can choose where I'm going to move it from. Okay, now this is our move command, so I'm going to move it up here, okay? And then I can also move it down here, and I can move it over here, and it links up to these spots, okay? You have to have a reference spot to be able to do it, but that's, pretty easy. So now this is our rotate tool, and this allows us to rotate to a certain degree. So let's say I wanted this 45 degrees. There's my 45 degrees, and when I'm done, it gives me this little red left click, and I can click there. Now it's at 45 degrees. If I want to help myself out to understand that, I can always click on here and here. This gives me 135 this way and 45 this way. You can change it if you want to, but there's my object. Okay? Thanks for watching, and look for other videos.